Hi all, it's Dan from the ViewSonic PD team, and we're going to learn how to use our ViewSonic Wireless Projection Kit. So it's two pieces. One, we have the wireless adapter itself. This is what plugs into our computer. And then we have this short cable. This is the receiver. One side is HDMI, which plugs into our panel, and then the other side is USB, which gives the cable its power. So I'm going to pause the video and plug it in, and then we'll learn how to cast. Okay, so now that we have our cable connected to our board, that can stay plugged in. You don't ever have to change it. I have mine plugged into HDMI 1, so if you don't see this screen automatically, you might need to manually switch to the HDMI 1 input. But what we're going to do now is we're just going to connect this receiver to our laptop. You can see it's got a little USB-C adapter, and then that plugs just straight into the side. So let's go ahead and connect it. And what it does is it actually just automatically connects itself. It's pretty simple. There's no network to configure or any settings or pin code. You can see here it's kind of giving me some information about if it's connected or not. And then ta-da! So you can see here I have the adapter plugged into my laptop, and it is currently mirroring my presentation up to the board. So I can control everything and essentially use my board as a projector. Now, on this, you'll notice that there are some reset buttons and some pairing buttons. You shouldn't have to ever use those buttons, but this larger one, which is on the top, it looks like there's a play stop icon on it. If you press that, you'll see that it just automatically disconnects the adapter, or if I press it again, it'll automatically resume it. So this is kind of like a you can blank your screen type of a thing. If you disconnect it, the screen will stay on for a little bit as it's trying to grab the signal, but essentially at this point I could walk over and hand it to someone else, and then they could connect it into their device, and then their screen would start projecting to the board.